guys, it's your girl Myss Hobbs, and I want to know what you chewing today. Today we have a surprise, guys. I have to show you a little something, but first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. I am going to fry up some cabbage. I already have some baked beans in the oven, some barbecue baked beans in the oven, but give me 1 second. Let me share the surprise with you.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's B33, and I'm on the grill trying to figure out what you chewing today. Changing things up a little bit. Now I'm on the grill today. I just got a couple of things on here. Not a couple of things, just one thing, really. We got some chicken on the grill. Something real simple, real quick. Trying to keep it light and copacetic. So, had this on here a little while now. I just flipped it not too long ago. So we're just sitting here letting it cook, letting it do its thing. Not rushing it. The smoke is good, so it's gonna have a nice smoky flavor to it. It is overcooking, so we are doing our thing right now and just waiting for that to get done. So I'm on the grill, y'all. Believe it or not, B33 in the kitchen. Aight. All right, guys, we're back. I am still on the grill. I got some barbecue sauce. We've been grilling our chicken here, and it's coming along quite well. So I'm just gonna put some barbecue sauce. My daughter is leaving to go see her Nana. Again. Again. She never stays home. So we're just going to throw some barbecue sauce on here, guys. Just real quick on each one.
I told y'all I was going to get B33 on here. They can cook something, y'all.
She know grilling is my thing, so that's what she like to get me on. I'm just going to spread the barbecue sauce a little bit on the back side of each piece, and then we're gonna go around to the other side in a couple of seconds. Ooh, it's juicy. Ooh, it's juicy.
Smell good too.
You know.
I hope y'all can see what we doing. It's getting dark out here.
It is getting dark. We cook late. Let it cool down a little bit. South Carolina heat. Yeah. I can say that. Lord knows I can say that. So guys, you see we just quickly just brush over the barbecue sauce just to evenly spread it out. And then what I'm gonna do is flip it real quick.
That sweet baby Ray's, I like
baby
that.
Ray. Said the chicken's been cooking real nice. Fire's not too hot, so it hasn't charbroiled it to death. Nice and juicy.
No flare-ups either.
No flare-ups.
Y'all, my battery died in the middle of filming this video, so I had to leave. While he was gone to the store, I had to leave and go meet the roadside assistance guy. Ain't that some stuff?
Yeah,
we still gonna eat tonight, though.
We deal with real life problems, y'all. You ready to go somewhere, you crank the truck up and it don't go nowhere?
It don't do nothing.
Ugh. Well, you gotta keep insurance on that. So now we just spread in the barbecue sauce, guys, on the other side here. Real quick. Now this is nothing crazy. Anybody can make this deal. Make this meal, even including me.
Oh, you gonna finish the rest of the meal?
Nope.
Oh.
That's when you come here.
Boo! Where's my sound effects? Boo!
So guys, we are nice and bathed up in the barbecue sauce. So what we're gonna do is just let this chill on the grill a little bit longer, just to soak in that barbecue sauce, give it a little bit more flavor, and I think we're gonna have some nice barbecue chicken tonight. So we're gonna see y'all in a couple of minutes. Yeah.
All right, guys, we are back in the kitchen, and I'm getting ready to fry up some cabbage for y'all. I have taken a head of cabbage, cut it up, and washed it off. And I have some bacon here. I have 4 pieces of bacon I've just cut up. And I always like to put my bacon in a cold pan, so I haven't turned my pan on yet. Get all that love. Oh, I was losing my spoon, y'all. So it's over here real quick. I've also taken an onion and cut it up. It was about a medium-sized onion that I cut up. I'm gonna render some of the fat off this bacon first, and then I'll put the onion in there. And I need a bowl to put this bacon pieces in when it gets done, y'all. I need to get me a bowl. Caila said I need some milk. Yeah, B33 said, oh, I'll grill today. This is what happened, y'all, when he grilled.
Yeah, I just grilled. I ain't say nothing about the size. Nope.
Grill.
Sorry.
Then he come look in the cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
And I walk in the kitchen. I was like, what are you doing? I don't know what to go with it. You gonna do it for me?
Yep.
So I got him, y'all. I got him. I told you a little bit earlier. This is 2 cans of pork and beans. And in here I've put about a half a cup of barbecue sauce, about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and a little bit of salt and some pepper, and that's about it for that. I'll come back with another video for a different type of baked beans. Actually, I think I'm gonna get B33. Show y'all his baked beans.
Oh yeah, I get it in, y'all, my baked beans.
But see, he don't plan a meal.
Nope.
So this was just, spur of the moment.
Yep.
What we got that's not frozen. He likes to put ground beef in his baked beans.
Yes, ground beef, the celery, y'all, the onion.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper. I'm talking about celery, bell pepper. See? That's why I stay out of the kitchen, y'all. I stick to music.
I'm gonna try and get this going here, guys. Cause my truck is still downstairs running, y'all.
Yep. Alternator kicking in.
But you know what? This happened to us back in
April.
No. We were going to Florida then. That had to be either January or March. Had to be January. Happened to us in January, and I don't know, maybe we do need to go ahead and get a new battery, but somebody left the truck running for about 2 hours, y'all. We ain't had no gas in the truck. Truck ran out of gas. Sitting downstairs in the parking lot.
It's good right now.
So after that, we're thinking, oh, we need to get a tune-up. And something said, we weren't having no problems with that truck until it ran out of gas. Y'all know me, I go to cheap rock for everything. I get cheap gas too. So I know there's a lot of trash and stuff that is in the cheaper grades of gas that's not in the more expensive one. I said, I bet you something has clogged up the
fuel injector.
The fuel injector. I bought the fuel injector cleaner, sat over there in Brandon's studio area for 3 months. It just sat there. It sat there. I kept asking, you gonna put it in the truck? Yeah, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna put it in there. Meanwhile, the truck is cutting off in the middle of the interstate as he's going to work like every day. Not good, y'all. Not good. I said, okay, well, he got it. I'm going to let him do him.
Yeah.
I took the fuel injection cleaner and put it back in the truck. I called myself putting it on his studio area so he would see it and would use it. Nah. So I put it back in the truck. And he messed around and put it in the truck, and we haven't had a problem since, y'all. I said 3 months of pure danger. Life-threatening driving. Cutting off on the interstate. Cutting off in the middle of Publix parking lot. Publix parking lot was a bad place because it has a hill right there. And that hill, that gas just wasn't getting to it. I don't care how much gas you had in there. That little hill. Nope. He didn't want to listen to Myss Hobbs. That's okay. Myss Hobbs knew what she was talking about, though. When I write that time.
Yeah, you were.
Oh, shut up. Y'all
I
heard
argue
it.
with her. Y'all, no. You don't argue with your wife. You just simply agree even when you disagree. You understand?
Really? You agree when you disagree?
Happy wife, happy life. I testify to that. I don't care what nobody says.
This bacon smells good, y'all, but I'm about to drop this onions down in here. It's gonna smell even better. And it's almost ready. I need to get my tongs. Excuse me, y'all, for just a second. I don't know where they are. And they're not in here.
Looks like they're in the dish or something.
Yeah.
Maybe. I'm not sure.
Well, you know B33 does special things with the dishes.
I do.
So I have to sometimes go searching for stuff.
She does.
All right, we got us some bacon, y'all. And I'm just gonna take the pieces out right now. I'm gonna leave all the fat in there. I know, I told y'all this is not the health food channel. This is the good food channel. I make something healthy maybe once a month. Just don't eat a whole lot of this. You'll be all right.
Don't eat a whole lot of all this good stuff. Yeah. Right. Okay.
Don't eat a whole lot of it. Just, you know, a little bit a lot. That makes sense. A little bit a lot. All right, here comes some onions, y'all.
Right in that bacon fat.
Ooh, God. That smell like love. L-U-V, y'all. Love. Move that over to the side because now I need to start adding my cabbage in. Cabbage is just like greens, like I was showing you in the other video. This cabbage will wilt down. So it looks like a lot initially, but it'll wilt on down. Give this a little stir. And like I said, all I've done is wash and cut it up and wash it. But I am going to season it in just a minute. You see the pan has calmed down already. Not sizzling as hard as it was, and that's because the cabbage is starting to release its water. All right, let me get the rest of it in here. Uh-oh. I lost the cabbage. I'm reaching back to get my seasonings, y'all, because that's what happens when B33 comes in the kitchen. You know the seasonings are on the counter somewhere.
Yep, I'll be having them ready for you. That's all.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yep. It's ready for you.
Garlic powder.
Garlic.
And salt. And black pepper. There you go. And like everything I do, y'all, ooh, garlic powder flying, my bad. Did y'all see that? But like everything I do, season to your taste. Put as much salt, garlic powder, pepper in there that you like. And I'm not sure if you can see it already, but some of the cabbage, like this piece right here, is already starting to turn translucent. So it's coming together real nicely, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna keep stirring this and letting it come together. And I will be back with y'all in just a few minutes. We should have a plate ready when we come back, okay? See y'all in just a minute. Alright guys, we are back, and that took about 15 minutes. So all I'm gonna do now is take the bacon that I cooked earlier and just sprinkle the love back in there. Y'all ready for a plate?
Oh yeah.
Y'all ready to eat? I know B33 ready to eat, of course. Let me get a dip, a dab of these beans right here.
And guys, this is the chicken that we finished up. B33 on the grill. You know, doing a little something, something. Just a little tad.
Which piece of chicken y'all want? Let me know. Which one?
That one. Yes. Look at that fried cabbage with that bacon. Ooh. Guys, I wish you could smell this. Nice. And onions. Ooh.
Which way we going? Which way? Which way? Which one? That one, that one, that one, that one.
It don't matter.
You want the big boy. I know it. All right, y'all. Here is the love. Barbecue chicken, fried cabbage, along with barbecue baked beans. All right, until next time, smooches, y'all.
Ridiculous.
Caden's favorite bean right there.
You see that sweat coming down? Woo.
You're a fool.
Yeah. I'm about to dive in this chicken. This is amazing. See y'all in the next round. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the notification bell so whenever we release a new video, you know first. Thank you guys.